Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last video we downloaded MySQL Workbench. Today let's look into what is SQL, how to create a table, how to insert your values and how to retrieve them. Let's see one by one. First, what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. We use SQL to store, manipulate, and retrieve the data from database. First, let's see how to create a table. Already we created a database called YouTube, right? Let's use that. Use database. Yeah, it's working. Then let's create a table. I'm going to create a table called user users. Okay, users data maybe ID, name, phone number, etc. Right? Okay, first ID. ID's data type is integer, then name. In programming language, we have string, right? Here we have varchar, and then length, then phone number. Mm, that's it. This is our table. Let's run it. Yeah, let's retrieve it. Basically, the star means all the columns in the table. If you want to retrieve only one table, you can use just the column name. Let's see. Now you have only ID. If you want one more, use this. Now you have ID and name. If you use star, it means you want to retrieve all the columns from the table. Yeah, this is the select statement, and this is how you create the table. Then let's insert the value. Insert into, this is the keyword to insert the value. Insert into table name. What are the table you are going to insert? You have to mention it. For example, I insert ID and name, not the mobile number, and value 1 comma, this is my name thing. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, it's working fine. Now let's select that. We have ID 1, ABC, phone number. This is how you create a table and insert values and select it. If you want to insert all the data, insert into users values, you can just not the double quotes, you have to use the single quotes because it is varchar, right? Then if you use only users, you should insert all the data. Okay, now I have to enter the phone number. This is my phone number example. Okay, now run it. Yeah, it's working completely fine now. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I accidentally run it twice, I guess. Okay, I did change this. Okay, let me run this. Now, this. See, this is how you create a table and insert a table.